Invest smart. How Vegas investors are winning even in a high-rate market. Welcome, everyone, to our 100th episode. I honestly can't believe how far we've come. From breaking down market trends to answering your biggest questions about buying and selling in Las Vegas and Henderson. It's been an incredible journey, and I want to start by saying thank you to every listener who's been a part of it. Today's episode is extra special.
Oh, really?
Not only are we celebrating a major milestone, but we're also stepping into a new chapter. I recently earned my property management permit, which means I'm now helping clients not just buy or sell, but also manage and grow their real estate investments.
Nice.
And that's exactly what today's episode is all about. How investors in Las Vegas are still finding smart, profitable opportunities even in a high interest rate market. So whether you're an experienced investor or just starting to explore your first rental property, this one's for you.
Okay, let's go.
The market reality is not all doom and gloom. Let's start with what everyone's been talking about, high interest rates. As of late 2025, mortgage rates are hovering around mid-6 and low 7% range.
What?
It's higher than what we saw a couple years ago. But here's the thing, investors are still buying.
Really?
Why? Because in Las Vegas, the fundamentals remain strong.
That's true.
According to the Greater Las Vegas Association of Realtors, the Valley has about 4 months of housing inventory, keeping the market balanced. Not too hot, not too cold. Meanwhile, rental demands are up, especially in neighborhoods like Henderson, Southwest Vegas, and Summerlin.
That's all right.
That's because as rates rise, more people are choosing to rent rather than buy. And that's a huge opportunity for investors. While the headline focused on rate hikes, smart buyers are shifting their mindset from flipping fast profits to building steady long-term cash flow. The investor mindset. Adapt, don't retreat. Successful investors know one thing.
Oh my God, what is that?
You don't wait for perfect condition. You adapt to the market you're in.
That's all right.
Many Las Vegas investors are doing just that. They're buying strategically, looking for properties below the median price, or homes that need light cosmetic updates to increase value. They're also taking advantage of rate buy-down programs, seller concessions, and creative finance like adjustable rate loans or partnerships. And here's another shift we're seeing.
What?
Investors are focusing on holding, not flipping.
Really?
According to CoreLogic, appreciation in Las Vegas has stabilized to around 3 to 4% year over year. Not the double digits we saw during the pandemic, but still healthy.
That's all right.
Combined with steady rent prices, it's creating a more predictable investment environment.
Nice.
So if you've been sitting on the sidelines waiting for rates to drop, don't. The investors winning right now are the ones playing the long game.
That was legitness.
Property management power, the game changer. Now, this is where things get exciting and where my new property management permit comes in.
Nice.
A good investment isn't just about buying the right property. It's about managing it the right way. And that's where professional property management makes all the difference.
That's all right.
Here's what many investors overlook. Profit often leaks through poor management.
That's true.
Missed rent payment, delayed maintenance, bad tenants, all of these things can turn a great investment into a headache. Property managers help prevent that by screening tenants, maintaining the property, and ensuring legal compliance with Nevada's rental laws, which have seen some recent updates on security deposit and notice periods.
Nice.
In Las Vegas, where the rental market is highly competitive, effective property management can mean higher occupancy rates, better tenant retention, and smoother operation overall. Simply put, it helps investors maximize return and have a peace of mind.
Isn't that amazing?
Strategy Vegas investors are using right now. So let's talk strategy.
Okay.
Because that's what sets successful investors apart.
That's all right.
Here are a few key moves we're seeing work in 2025. First, house hacking. Buying a duplex or a single family with a casita, living in one part and renting out the other, is popular among first-time investors in Henderson and North Las Vegas. Second, short-term and mid-term rentals. Even with tighter regulation, properties near the Strip and sport venues like Allegiant Stadium still see strong demand.
That's right.
With professional management, these can generate impressive returns. Third, buy and hold rentals. Areas like the Southwest and Centennial Hills offer newer builds, lower prices, and consistent rental demand, a great combo for long-term appreciation and cash flow.
Nice.
And fourth, reinvesting equity. Some seasoned investors are tapping their home equity to expand their portfolio while value remains high.
All right.
Each of these strategies depends on one thing: knowing your numbers and staying proactive in how you manage your assets. Building wealth through smart management. At the end of the day, smart investing is about playing both sides, acquisition and operation.
That's true.
You can buy a good property, but without solid management, it won't perform. That's why I always tell my clients, treat your investment like a business, not a side hustle.
That's all right.
Here in Las Vegas, the demand for well-managed rental is growing. Employers like Tesla, Amazon, and the expanding resort industry continue to draw workers and families to the area. That means opportunities for investors who can provide quality, well-maintained housing.
All right.
With the right systems and the right guidance, you can turn one property into two into five, and before you know it, you're building lasting wealth through real estate.
Isn't that amazing?
Final thoughts. So, as we celebrate the 100th episode, here's my takeaway for you. Yes, the market is challenging, but challenge also means opportunity for those who plan smart, buy right, and manage well. If you're thinking about investing, or if you already own a property and want to take it to the next level, let's talk. My team and I can help you run the numbers, explore management options, and make sure your investment works as hard as you do. Here's to the 100th episode, New Beginnings and Smart Investings in the Las Vegas market. Thanks for listening and being part of our growing community here in Las Vegas and Henderson.
Thank you.
If you're thinking about making a move or just want to learn more about life and real estate in our amazing city, be sure to grab your free relocation guide. It's packed with insights on neighborhoods, lifestyle, and the local market. You'll find a link right in this episode description. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. Whether you have real estate questions, a topic suggestion, or even a story about your own buying or selling experience, send me a message or connect with me on social media. Just search for Long's Real Estate, your local realtor here in Las Vegas and Henderson, Nevada. Don't forget to follow the podcast so you never miss an episode. Remember, in Las Vegas and Henderson, the odds are always in your favor when you have the right real estate agent by your side. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next episode.